If you're wondering when to use LTP4 plate connectors in carpentry, it's basically all about making sure those top plates that don't overlap stay super solid and safe. So here's the scoop. Whenever the top plates on your wall framing don't overlap, you gotta use these LTP4 metal connectors. They're nailed right onto the joint to hold everything tight. This helps keep the structure from pulling apart or shifting, especially during wind or seismic activity. Building codes usually require these connectors for non-overlapping plates because it's a simple way to reinforce the joint's strength. You don't want to skip this part if you want your project to pass inspection without a hitch. Just grab the right nails, follow the manufacturer's instructions, and you're golden. It's a small step that makes a big difference in keeping your walls strong and code compliant. One of the biggest mistakes people make with LTP4 plate connectors is thinking they're optional when plates don't overlap, which can lead to weak joints and failed inspections. Always check your local building code to be sure. Another common issue is using the wrong type or size of nails. Using anything less than what's specified compromises the connector's effectiveness, so stick to the recommended nails. The third mistake is not nailing the connector properly. Missing nails or improper placement can cause the metal plate to not do its job, so follow the instructions carefully for nail spacing and placement. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, especially for things like carpentry and framing. Plus, it gives contractors a solid way to find new work by showcasing their skills to people who need reliable pros.